customer has purchased a 2-soap system, and we're going to get it set up today for them with this wash bay. So just for starters, this is our injector. This is the main piece of both our 2-soap and our 4-soap injectors. The customer wanted it kind of off to the side today, so not in the way of getting caught, anything, some equipment coming in and out of here. So I didn't want it to be getting clipped off the wall. So it's gonna go right around here. We've got to run soap lines from this injector through this little hole here. We've got some soaps already placed there, ready to go when this thing is done. And then we'll have to connect it to our pressure washer, obviously. So I guess let's get started and I'll try to walk you through the process. So you'll receive your injector with this mounting plate when you order it through our website. And the first step you need to do is take off this back nut so we can remove this backing plate. So 1/2-inch wrench, just loosen that right up just a little bit. You don't need to remove it all the way. And knock it down. Gotta loosen it a little bit more. Pops right up. Now that we have our backing plate, we want to make sure that we mount it into something solid. A lot of these tin walls, they're not solid. So you need to look for that stud or the purloin, whatever you have, and mount it to those. I think that's right where it's going to go. That's a good place, right on that stud, so there's nothing to worry about. We're going to need stainless steel cappers. We don't want anything to rust, so we'll be going straight into our location. Always start with 1 bolt so you can make sure everything's nice and level before you get ahead of yourself. One thing I like to do is put the injector back in it, just because when it's got that weight and how it connects up, sometimes it'll be a tiny bit off kilter, even though this looks perfectly level. So just slide that thing right in there, take a look at it, make sure to push the injector against that plate, and that's good to me. Slide it off and remove it, and let's get our other bolts in. Now that mounting plate is on there very solid. I could probably put my whole weight on it and it won't be going anywhere. That's what we want. Now we can actually mount our injector. It's that simple. So make sure to loosen this bolt off enough. You want to keep it on there. Make sure the washer is all the way to the back. Slide it in there without the washer falling off. Here we go. Grab that 1/2-inch wrench. Okay, we got all that tightened up. Let's work on getting these soap lines attached. So I got the soap lines put on, got them routed to the back. I'll show you at the back end what you're going to need to do when you get this system and how to install your draw tube. But for now, I also put on the outlet, so this will go to our lance. Right here is an important thing to talk about because it's something that whoever's at the office, whether it's Brad or Jeremy or Todd who's talking to you, they're going to ask you for your jumper hose length, what you need. So the jumper hose is what comes from the pressure washer into this injector. It's just going to be a little, in this case it's only 6 foot, but we had to figure out, well, what size it was going to be. Because say this injector was way over there, a 6 foot isn't going to do it. You're going to need maybe a 12 foot or whatever it is. But that's an important thing to note when you're buying the system, is to make sure to give the salesman or whoever it is the most information you can so it works best for you. So here we'll be going from the outlet. I'm going to have a 90-degree there. It's going to come up here and sneak right into the side there. So I'll do another time lapse as well, and that will get this whole wall finalized. But also get the sign put up that comes with every order of the injector, and if there's some space, we'll also put up the J-hooks. So really the only thing to know about the draw tubes is you've got to drill out the center cap over there. I'm not 100% sure what the size was. I think it was 5/8 is what the drill bit you can use. And then you'll just slide this right in there. And you'll see that there's threads on here and there's threads actually on the cap. You can just thread that all together and that will make it a lot more sturdy and a lot more leak proof. So that's really as simple as it is, and then hook it to your line. Very, very, very simple. Okay, we're ready to start this thing up. Just make sure to check everything. Look over all of the spots that you taped, all of the connections, make sure everything's clipped in, give it a little wiggle. Don't want anything blowing off and hurting anyone. Another thing to note is when you are doing the blue or the Teflon tape on all of this, make sure you're going around at least 3 times, because if you're not up to 3 times, then it's not going to make a good seal. It's a pretty full setup. You've got the sign there, injector, soap lines to the back, that's all hooked up. Yeah, the jumper hose coming straight from our pressure washer and attached to their existing hose. Let's give this a go. Here's the high-low lance that I was talking about. Right here is our rinse tip. You just switch it around like this, and that's your soap tip. Make sure to get some water through the system, get all that air out. It looks like we got all that air out. So that's a successful install. So here we have our soap. It's all filled up in those tubes, looking great. And you're getting the right amount of pressure, everything's looking great. And we also built them a little foam cannon. So instead of filling up the foam cannon, you can just do this when you've got our injector. And we'll do the same, throwing foam on. Thank you for watching, appreciate it, and I hope this was a help, that you're not going to be too afraid or worried that you're not going to be able to put this system up at your own house. It's very simple. And if you have any questions, feel free to call us. We'll give you all the help you need. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.